amakhosi athi uhulumeni wesifundazwe uyahluleka ukusebenzisana nawo. Bathi lo budlelwano obungebuhle bukhinyabeza ukhanjiswa kwenqalazinda emphakathini. Batshele uMkhwebane ukuthi bafuna abhekisise nodaba lwemali okufanele ngabe zitholwa amakhosi. Iningi labo lithi abanazo izinsiza kusebenza zokubalekelela ekwenzeni umsebenzi wabo. Bathi kwabanye omasipala bagcina ngokuba yibukeli emhlanganweni emkhandlu. Bakhonenda ngokuthi bavalelwa ngaphandle uma sekuthathwa inqumo ebalekile.
Into engeke sihambisane nayo ukuthi amakhosi aphendulwe ichuse. Kube ukuthi awayo manje abezintethe lapha kwamasipala. Iloko sithi asikuzwa kahle. Into esithi ayenziwe akulandela umthetho.
uMkhwebane uyibophezele ngokuphenya kanzulu ngezikhalazo zamakhosi. Uphinde wabalula nokuhluleka kusifundazwe ukwenza umnyakazo ngezingcomo zakhe.
Other provinces have responded on what they are doing. For KZN, we have not received any response how the report is being implemented. Now the critical part is that we were supposed to also then have an engagement with the Speaker and the Executive. The Speaker, in terms of Section 114 of the Constitution, must make sure that there is an oversight over the Executive. And we also engage speakers in all these provinces to make sure that they help us to oversee the implementation of the reports which we have issued, so that in the long run there is that compliance to our remedial action. So that has not happened.
Obemele umnyango ozokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu esifundazweni uthi uhulumeni uzomphendula kungekudala uMvikeli woMphakathi. uMkhwebane uthi ihhovisi lakhe liphenya izikhalazo esingaphezu ku-150 esifundazweni ebandakanya inqalazinda engafinyeleli kubantu. Bongane Gema, indaba ze SABC eThekwini.